Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to the channel where we do simple projects. Let's get into it. As you can see, we started out with a plywood that we put onto a piece of pallet wood. It measured about 3 feet across, which would equal about 2.7 inches apart for each stripe that we're doing. So go ahead and take that out. We blocked off where we're going to put our blue and our stars as well. So those lines that you see are about 2.7 inches apart from each other. Red comes first, so make sure your tape is down pretty tight. And then go ahead and paint away. Probably the best part of this project. Now we did have some industrial writing on the wood. If you don't have that, then that's fine. You can go ahead and skip the step of how I had to go back and get it red on top of there. But under the white tape as well, there's still the industrial writing, so kind of left it in because it really does not look that bad. I think it gives it a unique feel. And I know it's a lot of painting red, but just give it a minute. There we go, edited. All right, finally the red is done. Almost. All right, there we go. So then you're gonna to wait for it to dry a little bit. We gave it about 30 minutes and we started at the top because that's where we started with our painting, and then you go ahead and take the tape off and you have these beautiful lines. Now for our blue and where we're gonna put our stars, you gotta tape the outer edges of it right on the line so it could be even when you remove the tape. Line it up with the red. And so what we did for the stars, I know that was kind of fast. What we did with the stars is we went ahead and cut out tape in star shapes, pasted it down really tight, and then painted the blue over it. So that'll be really easy for you guys. So as you can see, we started out with that, and then boom! There you go. Watching, subscribe, and like for more simple projects. Thanks guys, have a good one.